welcome back to the YouTube channel. I have a few people wanting me to do a video on my truck. It is a 2021 389. My trailer is a 2017 utility carrier unit. Inside is filthy because of this lot. I mean, it's not horrible, but E-log, iPad, keys, 18 speed. It's the 565 Cummins Performance Series. In the back, obviously just normal cabinet over here. That's my blower charger. DVD player up there. NASCAR. Refrigerator. And I put all my food and everything on the top bunk because I just don't have anywhere else to put it really. Also more clothes in there. But there you go. Got any more questions or anything, just put them down below in the comment section. I'll do a better video once I'm out of this place, but at the moment I can't really get out of here, so I'm stuck right here until they get me done. Hopefully they get me out of here by this evening and I will head to Louisville, Kentucky. Anyway, put your comments down below and I'll answer them quick as I can. I don't have a whole lot of people on here, so there probably won't be any. Hope you guys have a good day. We'll see you.